As we move deeper into 2025, the photography and videography landscape is on the brink of an exciting revolution. From ultra-compact drones pushing the limits of aerial footage, to high-performance mirrorless cameras and the rise of cinema tools that challenge industry giants. This year is shaping up to be one of the most transformative periods for content creators worldwide. If the recent leaks, insider reports, and technology trends are any indication, the second half of this year promises to bring powerful new tools for photographers, filmmakers, and hobbyists alike. Whether you're shooting from the sky, filming cinematic masterpieces, or capturing everyday moments, the next generation of camera equipment is about to open incredible creative possibilities. Let's take a closer look at the most talked about upcoming gear that's generating buzz across the industry. DJI Mini 5, redefining lightweight drones. Remains the leader in aerial technology, and their next big release is rumored to be the DJI Mini 5. DJI's Mini series has always targeted those looking for portability without sacrificing quality, and the next iteration is expected to raise the standard even higher. Recent images captured in China suggest that the DJI Mini 5 may include front-facing sensors, potentially introducing LiDAR-based navigation, a huge step forward in precision and obstacle detection. LiDAR could make this drone smarter and safer, especially when flying in tight spaces or low-light conditions. Perhaps the most exciting rumor is the possibility of a 1-inch image sensor, a major upgrade over previous models. A sensor of this size would improve image clarity, dynamic range, and low-light performance, bringing near-professional quality to an ultralight drone. Potential specifications include SUB 250 grams weight for easy travel and regulation-friendly, flying 1-inch CMOS, sensor 5.3K video at 30 fps, 4K video at 60 fps, LiDAR-assisted navigation, advanced obstacle avoidance, 45-minute maximum flight time, improved transmission system with enhanced ranger designate controller. Featuring a built-in display. With these features, the DJI Mini 5 could set a new benchmark for compact drones, offering cinematic performance in a legally flexible package for hobbyists, travelers, and professionals. Sony's next mirrorless star, the A7V Sony's Alpha series, continues to lead the way in full-frame mirrorless cameras, and the next in line, widely expected to be called the A7V, is creating intense excitement. Reports suggest the A7V will introduce a new backside illuminated sensor in the 33 to 36 megapixel range, offering sharper images and better low-light capability. Videographers may also get access to 8,000 recording, with full sensor readout, plus high-speed 4K at 1 to 0 fps. Sony is focusing heavily on artificial intelligence with this release. The A7V is likely to include real-time subject tracking, AI-powered autofocus, and even intelligent framing suggestions. These features will make shooting faster and more accurate, perfect for creators working solo. Key expected features: 8K video recording at 30 fps, 4K at 1 to 0 fps with 10-bit color eye, enhanced autofocus and tracking, dual CF Express, and SD card slots, fully articulating high brightness touchscreen, improved and body stabilization, advanced heat management for long recording sessions. A7V could become a top choice for photographers and hybrid shooters needing reliable performance in a compact, versatile body. Canon EOS R7 Mark II APS-C power for professional scan is ready to level up its APS-C offerings with the next generation of the EOS R7 series. The rumored Canon EOS R7 Mark II is expected to bring pro-level features to the cropped sensor format, making it an exciting option for action photographers and hybrid creators. The new camera may feature a 30 to 5 MP stack sensor for faster image processing and reduced rolling shutter, along with a powerful new image processor that boosts autofocus speed and real-time object detection. Predicted specs include 30 to 5 MP stacked APS-C sensor, up to 30 fps continuous shooting, dual pixel autofocus with advanced animal, vehicle, and subject detection, 6.2K video over sample to sharp 4K 605-axis image stabilization, dual SD card slots, rugged, weather-sealed magnesium alloy body. Canon's push to bring high-end features to smaller sensor cameras could make the R7 Mark II a go-to option for sports, wildlife, and adventure photographers who want speed without the weight of full-frame systems. Nikon's cinematic leap, a new era for filmmaking. Nikon is reportedly working on a bold new cinema system that may challenge the likes of red and black magic. Rumors suggest Nikon's project, possibly known internally as Cinecore, will introduce a modular cinema camera with features that could dramatically lower the entry cost. For professional filmmaking, potential highlights include full-frame Sensor capable of capturing 8.6K RAW video, modular design with interchangeable component support. For Nikon, Z-mount lenses and place-mount adapter spores RAW and NRAW, recording multiple SDI and HDMI outputs, their audio inputs for professional sound capture. If this project materializes, Nikon could completely shift its image from a traditional photography brand to a major player in the cinema world, offering high-end tools at competitive prices. Bonus gear to watch: several other exciting cameras are also rumored to launch this year. Fujifilm's X100 series update could bring a 40MP sensor, improved hybrid viewfinder, and 4K 6.0 video. Panasonic's GH7 is expected to finally offer phase detection autofocus, along with 6K open gate video and unlimited recording time thanks to active cooling. GoPro's Hero 13 may feature a 1-inch sensor, 6K video capability, and integrated gimbal-like stabilization for smoother action shots. The camera market is evolving fast. 2025 is quickly becoming one of the most groundbreaking years for camera enthusiasts and professionals alike. Whether you're a drone pilot capturing breathtaking aerials, a filmmaker building cinematic stories, or a creator looking for smart, compact tools, the future of photography and videography is brimming with opportunity. With innovations like the DJI Mini 5's potential LiDAR navigation, Sony's AI-driven autofocus, Canon's pro-grade APS-C advancements, and Nikon's rumored entry into the cinema space, the tools arriving soon will empower creators like never before. The world of visual storytelling is evolving, and it's happening faster than ever.